In this video, I'll show you how to fix in case the Touch ID of your iPad 11 is not working properly. So what I suggest when this is happening to you is to do a simple restart. This is the tip number 1, but I'll show you something else after. So simply press the power button and the volume up both at the same time. Keep them pressed until you get this slider. Slide it towards the right side. Wait around 2 to 3 seconds. And then press the power button until you see the Apple logo appearing on the display. Okay, let me press again. Sometimes you need to press twice. There we go. The Apple logo appears. And then wait for the iPad to boot up. And fortunately, after it boots up, you'll be able to use the Touch ID button. But at first, when the iPad boots up, you'll have to enter the passcode manually. Then you'll be able to use it. If this didn't work, what I suggest is that you go into the settings of your iPad. And from here on the left side, you're going to go down and select Touch ID and passcode. Enter your passcode. You're going to see over here fingerprints. Tap on your fingerprint and delete it completely. And now select add fingerprint and add it once again. All right, so on the Touch ID button over here, simply rest your finger multiple times while switching the position. And we will re-register your fingertip because maybe that was the issue. It wasn't recognizing it. We'll just make the memory of your iPad fresh so it remembers it. I also suggest you add multiple fingerprint in case this doesn't work. Maybe this, I don't know, other finger will be easier for your iPad to read. So go ahead, add a fingerprint, do another, let's say my pinky over here, and register another finger. This would be your backup finger in case the first one doesn't work. All right, so you get the idea. Hopefully one of these solutions work for you. If you're still having issue, what I suggest is that you reset your iPad to do a factory reset. So it's like brand new. Unfortunately, your apps will be deleted. You'll have to reinstall them. Okay, go into General, go down, select Transfer or Reset iPad. Select Erase all content and settings. Press Continue. It will ask the passcode. Do whatever they ask you. And at the end, the iPad will be like a brand new one. And fortunately, it will also fix the Touch ID of your iPad. If you're still having issues, there's a good chance that this button, this Touch ID sensor and button needs to be replaced because maybe it got damaged. Maybe you don't see any damage, but it's something got damaged inside. So check out for any repairs. I unfortunately don't know how to do it, so you'll have to rely on a professional or maybe check some tutorials that will be able to show you this. Thanks, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.